In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your Jira workflow from the terminal and keep your sprint tracking in sync with your code. If using Jira feels like a distraction from actually building software, this approach can make things much smoother. Instead of constantly switching between your browser, your IDE, and your terminal, you can connect your Git workflow directly to your Jira tickets so progress updates happen naturally while you work. To get started, open your preferred browser and sign in to your Atlassian cloud workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, open your active software project and go to either the active sprints view or your Kanban board, depending on how your team tracks work. This gives you a live view of the tasks currently in motion. Next, narrow the board down so you only see the issues assigned to you. Use the quick filter for your own tasks, or select your profile filter if that's how your board is configured. Once your personal queue is visible, look at one of your task cards and find the issue key at the beginning of the title. It will usually look something like CIE 42. That issue key is important because it becomes the link between your code activity and your Jira ticket. Now switch over to your terminal and open your local project directory. When you create a new branch, include that issue key directly in the branch name. For example, you might create a branch named Feature CIE 42 Login Refactor. Using the issue key in the branch name helps Jira recognize and associate your development work with the correct ticket automatically. Once you've made changes and staged them, you can go a step further by using a smart commit. Your commit message can include the issue key, a status transition, and a comment. For example, you could write a commit that marks the issue as in progress and adds a note explaining what you changed. This means your commit doesn't just save code history. It also updates the ticket in Jira without needing a separate browser action. If you prefer to keep everything inside your editor, there's also an alternative route. You can install the official Atlassian Jira extension in tools like Visual Studio Code or JetBrains IDEs. After connecting it to your workspace, you can view assigned issues, inspect details, and manage ticket activity right from the side panel while staying focused on your code. Before you wrap up, return to your Jira board for a quick final check. Confirm that your comments appeared correctly, that the branch is linked to the issue, and that the ticket status updated as expected. This final review helps ensure your automation is working cleanly and your sprint tracking stays accurate. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.